Hi, this is Isra Ahmed and today I'm going to take you through the Airtel DLT registration process. If you are a business in India and you want to use bulk SMS service, then you must know that the TRI has mandated for your business to be registered with DLT. As we care about you, here I am with the Airtel DLT registration guide so that the DLT registration process is as easy as ABC for you. Stay with me as I break it down for you. Before we begin, you must have some documents ready with you. These documents include your company PAN card number, registration certificate, a government-issued ID document, email address and phone number, and a declaration from the authorized person on the company letterhead. Once you have all these documents ready, you can easily move to the first step. The first step is to visit the Airtel DLT website. On the very first page of the website, you click on As Enterprise and then select whether or not you have registered previously. If you have registered previously, you will just enter the entity ID. If you have not registered previously, then you will just add the PAN number. On the next page, upload the documents as specified and fill in all the details properly. Then click Submit. Now, if you have followed all the instructions thoroughly, then you must be on your way to receive a confirmation OTP. Once you have received the OTP, just copy-paste the numbers from the SMS and verify. The next section requires you to upload all the documents that I mentioned before. Upload each of these documents and click Continue. By this time, you will receive an email informing you of your success. If you have got it, then congratulations, you have made it through. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then please like and comment so that other people like you can see this video on YouTube. You can also share this video with a friend who might find it as useful. Here at SMS Country, ease is the order of the day. That is why our experts are available to help you through the Airtel DLT registration process so that everything is as easy as a breeze for you. Save yourself from the hassle and contact us today for any queries related to the Airtel DLT registration process.